And in Telugu, E Jhanda means this flag. This is also the title of the performance you're about to see, which pays tribute to the Indian national flag. It is set to a melodious patriotic song.
Well, first of all, let me say how delighted I am to be in Edmonton, and I think it's the function that has been organized by the council is truly a remarkable one. There's a lot of talent here in Edmonton in the Indian community. It is something that needs to be nurtured, to be developed further, because I think it is the young generation which will keep the flag flying of the flag of Indian culture in Canada. And I would like to congratulate the council for having done such a wonderful job of bringing all these youngsters together from different languages across India and putting up such a wonderful show. Of course, we in the High Commission are always very supportive of these events. I might mention here that this year we are celebrating Year of India in Canada, and this is an event that will be done in very close cooperation with communities, with the Indo-Canadian communities across Canada. We hope to bring some of our best artists from India in classical music, dance, contemporary drama and music as well. Certainly some of these groups will come to Edmonton. I certainly would like to believe that the community will be very closely involved in making these events a success.
This is such a wonderful time to celebrate India Day, the Republic of India, which is 61 years old, experiencing its freedom and contributing on the world stage. But for us here in Alberta, they're contributing locally as well. When you come to an event like India Day and you see all of these wonderful young people who are here and being honored for their academic achievement, they're being honored for their community work, for their sports achievements, it's a wonderful feeling to be able to support them. So congratulations to everybody who is celebrating the Republic of India Day right now.
I want to thank the Council of Indian Societies for putting this on. And one of the things that I am most impressed with is the emphasis that you put on rewarding the efforts of your children in their education. I think that this is an outstanding thing to do, and I admire it very much. And you can tell that these children are going to grow up to become fine citizens with Indian culture, with education, and a real sense of belonging to a democratic society and contributing in many, many ways to our community.
Well, today is a fabulous day, 65th anniversary of Indian independence, and Jubilee Auditorium in Alberta is just filled with not only Indo-Canadians but many non-Indo-Canadians celebrating this particular event. More importantly, the community is recognizing young scholars, receiving beautiful awards like this young lady, and that is really good to see. So it's an honor and a privilege to be here on behalf of Government of Alberta celebrating the special occasions. Girls, are you proud of getting an award? You must have been working really hard to get this award, didn't you?
Yes.
And what grade are you in?
5.
Perfect. And are you going to be the next Prime Minister of Canada?
No.
No, what are you going to be?
Not sure.
A doctor?
Sure.
Perfect. See, there we go. There's going to be another Indo-Canadian doctor in Alberta. And that's what this is really all about. So thank you and God bless.
Let me first of all say that I'm most impressed with the performances today. And I had just spoken actually with Dr. Singmar to indicate that I think the quality of performances has tremendously improved over the last 13 or 14 years that I've been coming here regularly. So it's an amazing improvement. And for that, credit goes, of course, to performers, but even more than that, to people adults who have spent enormous amount of time training them. giving them assistance, giving them instruction, and making sure the rehearsals are done regularly and that the quality improves. So it's really very impressive, very, very impressive.
It's my honor and privilege to be here today as Council of India Studies celebrates 61 years of India's Republic. Been part of this celebration for a number of years, and every single year, the performances, the award recipients, there's a huge improvement every single year. So I want to thank the Council of India Societies for giving me the opportunity, inviting me on behalf of Premier Ed Salmek and all of my colleagues from the Alberta Legislature. I would like to thank the Council of India Studies for doing such a wonderful job, as well all of the award recipients for achieving their absolute best. Thank you so very much.
Good afternoon to everyone. Happy India Day or Republic Day. This is a good day for us to celebrate how important the freedom for all of us, especially for East Indian who are in Edmonton. And I'm quite very impressed on how we are celebrating this, because we are giving very important gift to our young people in Edmonton, especially in Alberta, the importance of education. And I would like to encourage everybody to recognize and listen very well to what the people are saying during the event. And let's watch the cultural show that the East Indian community are doing. I'm very proud of them, and I'm quite very impressed, and I would like to congratulate all the people.
It's really great to be here. India का जो अपना Republic Day है, the 61st birthday, and especially this year, with India Canada year, ये साढ़े वास्ते बहुत ही चंगा है. It's very, very important for us this year, and we are really looking forward to this.
It's a privilege and an honor to wish all of Indians all over the world to wish them Happy Republic Day. We're gathered here in Edmonton this year, and we are joined by our High Commissioner, His Excellency S.M. Gawai, as a guest. Just a wonderful celebration.
We are here to celebrate the India Day, which symbolizes the Republic Day of India, which day the Constitution of India was written, and then give the democratic pattern, socialistic pattern of the India and the citizen of India.
आज हम बहुत खुश हैं ये देखकर कि हम यहाँ इंडिया डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. बहुत से बच्चों को अवार्ड्स मिले हैं. सभी बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम भी यहाँ किया है, और बच्चों को ऑनर स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उनको यहाँ पे अवार्ड दिया गया है, और बच्चे बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं. ये सब देख कर के बहुत ही खुशी हुई मेरे को कि सभी बच्चे यहाँ आए हैं.